Home Remedies presents
Ginger is a million times stronger than Botox, removes fine lines and deep wrinkles. Hello and welcome. Today I'm excited to share an amazing skincare recipe that will leave your skin glowing, free from pigmentation, and visibly younger. This natural remedy uses fresh ginger, aloe vera, and a few other simple ingredients to rejuvenate your skin. Whether you are dealing with wrinkles, acne, or uneven skin tone, this recipe is for you. Let's get started. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Step 1. The magic of fresh ginger. Start by taking a piece of fresh ginger, about 150 grams, and peeling it. Ginger is a powerhouse of antioxidants that fight skin aging, prevent pimples, and soothe redness and itching. Grate the ginger to extract its fresh juice. Don't throw away the leftover pulp, we will use it later. Pour the ginger juice into a saucepan and add 50 ml of rose water. Rose water is known for its soothing and hydrating properties, making it a perfect addition to this recipe. Now, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, which acts as a natural alternative to Botox, helping to tighten and firm the skin. Heat the mixture on low heat, stirring constantly until it forms a creamy consistency. Once done, let it cool in a bowl. Step 2. The power of aloe vera. Next, let's harness the benefits of aloe vera, often called the plant of immortality by the ancient Egypts. Extract the gel from about 100 grams of aloe vera leaves. Aloe vera is packed with beta carotene, vitamins C and E, which reduce wrinkles, brighten the skin, and promote a radiant complexion. Blend the aloe vera gel until smooth, then add 4 tablespoons of it to the cooled ginger cream. Mix well. To enhance the cream's benefits, add 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil, which contains zinc to lighten scars and blemishes. Stir everything together until you have a smooth, luxurious cream. Store the cream in a glass jar and keep it in the fridge for up to 7 days. Step 3. Prep your skin with a ginger mask. Before applying the cream, let's prep your skin with a simple yet effective mask. Take the leftover ginger pulp and mix it with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, quarter teaspoon of turmeric to brighten dark spots, and 2 tablespoons of natural honey. Honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture and soothes the skin. Mix all the ingredients well and apply a thick layer to your face, neck, and décolleté. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use this mask twice a week for best results. Step 4. Apply the cream for overnight magic. In the evening, after cleansing your skin, apply the ginger and aloe vera cream. Gently massage it into your skin until fully absorbed. Let it work its magic overnight, and in the morning, rinse your face with cold water. Use this cream daily for glowing, youthful skin. Store the rest of the aloe vera gel in the refrigerator for up to 1 month. Why this recipe works? Ginger fights aging, reduces inflammation, and prevents acne. Aloe vera hydrates, brightens, and reduces wrinkles. Cornstarch tightens and firms the skin naturally. Sweet almond oil lightens scars and blemishes. Turmeric and honey brighten and soothe the skin. Final thoughts. This DIY skincare recipe is a natural, affordable, and effective way to achieve glowing, youthful skin. Whether you are looking to reduce wrinkles, even out your skin tone, or simply pamper yourself, this ginger and aloe vera combo is a game changer.
If you liked the video, Hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.